YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you what I built with ERPNext. You see, this is a device for scanning the RFIDs. Okay, the client give me access to this device through the analytics. You can see here we can scan the code and add the asset to the ERPNext. You can see there is no asset now. If I open the application from here, you can see this is running. Okay, I just make some changes in here. If you open the app, let me open RFID exposure. Let's wait a bit. It's opening. You can see it's open now. This is a full ERPNext. You can see also from here assets. You can see there is no data. If I click on scan, okay, it will initialize and checking and done. You see it's done. Once it's done, it will add into the database. If you open the assets, you can see here one assets added. Okay, now here if a client asks me to he want to audit the list in the room, let me open this one. It's for audit. Here if we search with the location or room, like here if I search STORE store, and if I click on load, it's loading. You see it is detected. It is loading all the data. Here you can see that expected asset 1 not detected. If I click on start scan, you can see there it will get detected. That's what I built. Thanks for watching this video. If you need similar project, if you need to make Android application, please feel free to knock me.